Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields in QuickBooks Online. Custom fields allow you to add personalized information to your invoices and sales receipts, making it easy to track details that matter to your business, like which team member handled a specific transaction. To get started, navigate to the gear icon labeled Settings at the top right corner of your QuickBooks screen. This is your main hub for all account configurations and customization options. Click on it to open the Settings menu. From the menu that appears, select Custom Fields. This section is where you'll create and manage all the additional data fields you want to include on your business forms. Once you're in, click Add Custom Field to begin creating a new field from scratch. In the name field that appears, type barista name or whatever label makes sense for your business. This is the name that will appear on your forms, so make it clear and descriptive. Next, click the Data Type drop-down menu and select Drop-down List. This option ensures that when you use this field later, you'll have a predefined list of choices rather than typing freeform text each time, which keeps your data consistent and saves time. Now it's time to populate your drop-down list. Enter the names of your baristas as individual options. For example, Ivy and Bob. You can add as many names as needed to match your team roster. After that, select Transaction to categorize this field. This tells QuickBooks that you want this custom field to appear on sales forms like invoices and sales receipts. Under Select Forms, check the boxes for invoices and sales receipts. This ensures your custom field will show up on both types of forms whenever you create them. If you want this information to appear when you print or email these forms to customers, turn on the Print on Form toggle. Keep in mind that QuickBooks limits you to 3 printed custom fields, so choose wisely if you're using multiple fields. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your custom field is now active and ready to use. To see it in action, open a new sales receipt or invoice form. You'll notice the Barista on Shift drop-down field now appears on the form. Simply select the appropriate barista's name from the drop-down before saving and sending or printing the form. This way, you'll always have a record of who handled each transaction, making tracking and accountability effortless. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.